Virgo, welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. I am here to talk to you guys about what's going on in your love life, and this is going to be for the last 2 weeks in November. If you guys are interested in a personal, check out the description box down below. That's where you'll find the link, and also in the beginning of this video, you'll see the shop information there as well. If you like or resonate with this as you're listening, don't forget to subscribe before you go and hit the thumbs up button. Virgo, we're going to talk about your love life. This is for Virgo singles. So if you are mingling with someone, you're interested in a person, you're in a situationship, you have a crush, or just single and kind of like someone, kind of talk to them every now and then this is for you. So let's get started. So Virgo, how might you be going through this connection the last 2 weeks in the month? So for some of you guys, a lot of things could be or could have been revealed to you very recently about your person. A lot of things are being shown to you. And it's because of this, I believe, this full moon energy. A lot of things are going to be revealed. Or if not already, it will be about this person. So a lot of you guys are in this energy right now of speaking your mind. Finally coming out of an illusion that you were in about someone, and you see this person's true colors now. You are no longer playing a role with this person. A lot of you know that there is a lot on the table now to go over again. I feel like you're going to be going over a lot of details about this connection or about this person over the next 2 weeks. You're going to be assessing a lot of different things when it comes to this person who you love or who you really like. So you may be looking far or deep into the situation to spot the lies or find the deception beneath the surface. Although you're going through this, you're taking a pretty relaxed approach on the outside because the illusion is coming off or has come off. You're no longer like wondering if this is all real, wondering if this is really what it's supposed to be. By the end of this time frame, you're going to know what the truth is. Now, some of you are also in this energy of wanting to speak to them or talk to them. There's a lot of communication coming from you. So a lot of you could be wanting this person to slide through, like to come and see you, or you could be wanting to go and see them. There's something about you wanting them to call you or text you or DM you or send you something. There's an energy of communication coming through very strongly, or you could be receiving communication from this person. The way this person feels about you, they make you feel wanted. They make you feel wanted, or they may even make you feel like they need you or they need to have you in their life. And this could be the reason for some of you feeling like there's a catch to this, or there's a lie involved. Like this person could be deceiving you, because how is it that this person is not in a relationship with you yet, but they feel like they need you? So a lot of you could be questioning this, but this person, I feel like they miscalculated your moves. Every move this person thought you were going to make, you did not make. Everything that this person thought you were going to do, you did not do. Everything that this person thought maybe that they were keeping away from you, you know. Your person, whoever this is, they know that they can't lie to you about something. It's something that they know they can't deceive you about, because you're really invested in finding out the truth. So this person may feel like you do too much investigating, or maybe you just really shocked this person completely. It's something about every time they hear your voice, it's like you have the power to shake mountains. Think about that. You have the power to shake mountains. And what that means is like, mountains are immovable. You just can't move a mountain. The fact that when you speak certain things, it really shakes up so much, I'm telling you. is something that you are revealing to this person, you're saying to this person. It is very, very shocking to them, the things that you're actually saying to them. It is really causing severe anxiety and losing self-control for this person. This person does not know how to deal with this or how to understand these emotions you feel or whatever it is that you're saying. Now, this can be something positive for some of you, where this person likes you that much that they don't know how to act when you talk to them. This could be like the first phone call, the first time they've heard your voice or whatever. This can be someone who is extremely nervous. I mean, sweating bricks. Like, this person could be really, 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 really nervous about talking to you for the first time, or being on a first date, or seeing you for the first time. It's something you do to this person. It is scaring the living daylights out of them. It really scares them. Now, for others of you, it may be something where you're calling this person out on some stuff, on some crap. You are speaking your mind, exactly how you feel. And this is really causing a great panic to this person. And people all around them know that they're panicking like this because of you. It's because of something you've done or something you've said. So you seem to have this great, powerful effect on this person's life and the lives of other people when you say certain things. So it feels like, to them, it feels like you're tired of them. It feels like you are so tired of them. You're so done with them. You are so over them. And you could be acting pretty standoffish toward them as well. This person feels like, even though in the midst of all this, let me give you a colorful, imaginative example of what this person sees when they think about this, to express this energy a little bit better to you. Imagine yourself as Godzilla. Your words, when you say certain things, you come across as this uncontrollable thing that has the power, the height to destroy anything and everything in its midst. You are moving things that you don't know you're moving. You could be affecting their business deals and you don't even realize you're doing that because of something you're saying in front of people, I feel. But you could be changing people's perception of them. You could have such a profound effect on people that maybe people just don't want to deal with them anymore. They don't want to talk to them anymore. You're affecting everything, and it's not just affecting them, you're affecting other people. People get so triggered by what you say. People feel offended by what you say. It feels like you're affecting an entire covenant of people, or an entire group, a community, an entire household or something. So that's what's going on. This person sees you as you're moving things that you don't know you're moving. You're changing things that you don't know you're changing. It's something about the way you communicate now. You wasn't like this before. So, but even in the midst of everything, this person feels like you're untouched, though. You're fortunate because everything that you're doing is not producing an effect on people where they can do you anything about it, because you must be speaking some type of truth. Either you're telling your person like it is, telling them everything you don't like about them and everything you never did like about them. I don't know what you're doing, guys. I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what this is about. Every Virgo is going to be different. But it's something that this person feels like you are really blessed, because people have done things to you, including them, where they feel like there could have been some type of trap that was laid out for you, but you were too smart to fall for a trap. So you're really protected. You're really safe. And that's how they look at you. That's how this person feels about you. Like you're just untouched, even in the midst of everything that's going on, because you're speaking the truth. So it could be a situation for some of you where you find out that your person must be cheating on you. Gotta be. This has to be someone getting seriously cheated on. For some of you, and maybe they never thought you would know about it. They never thought you would, or if they think you knew, they never thought you would say something about it or speak on certain things. But some of you are really speaking on things that this person is so shocked to know that you know about. They didn't know that you knew about this person that they were dealing with, or maybe they didn't know that you knew about some mysterious, like, spending some money that they thought was a secret, and you know about it, and they didn't know you know. So it's really something, and like I said, it's really depending on your situation to know, really what this is about. So you may see this as someone who at this time needs to accept that they are wiser than they let on. This person has positive things inside of them that you see, but they play dumb. They play dumb. They play like they don't know what's going on. They play like they're not hip to the truth about, what's really going on in a situation. So you want them to really understand, okay, listen, I need you to act smarter. I know that you know. For some of you, you really do want this new beginning with them, though. And I think that's the reason why you want them to slide through, to talk to you, to call you, to text you. You want this new beginning with them. You want to let the sun shine in this connection. But it's like, when are they going to step into their power? Like, when are they going to be a positive person all around? I think that maybe for some of you, they put on a show for others or a facade. You want them to tune into their divine will right now. Like, know what God created you for and live that life, and not the life that you're trying to illuminate to others. So you are in a divine feminine energy. You're definitely, if you're a feminine Virgo, but if you're not a feminine energy, then you're a male. And if this is about a female, then she's in her divine feminine energy right now. The way they see you, they want you to only do things when you're ready to do them. So whatever is going to benefit you and make you feel empowered and strong and make you feel better, that's what they want you to do. Even if it includes like leaving them alone. At this point, they're just like, just do what you got to do. Just do what you got to do. Like, that's how they're coming. But they look at things exactly the same way you look at them. The same way you think they play dumb about things, they think you play dumb about things. They think that you're smarter than you let on, because you've known something that you didn't tell them that you knew about, and now you're saying it. So it's shocking, but it's also making them feel like, well, when were you going to tell me that you knew? And so they kind of want you to know this information, but to use this information for the highest good of the connection. They don't want to make this information be something that makes you want to leave them or walk away. But at the same time, though, they like when you stand in your power. At the same time, though, they like when you're being true to yourself, because what that shows is a strong and wise person, and a strong and wise consort. A strong and wise consort to them. That's the kind of woman or man that they want to see more of. Even though it's really crazy how they didn't know that you knew something. But with you being so blunt and direct about this, they absolutely love this, because this is exactly the kind of woman that they would want. Honestly, this person wouldn't want a woman who would walk all over them. Honestly, this person would not want a woman who's weak. Honestly, this person would not want a woman who's not a leader. So even though they are shocked, they're also appreciating who you are and how you're presenting yourself. It's scary for them, but it's what's needed for them. And that's all I have. God bless.